Patrick Rourke with MarineMax Clearwater. Today we're going to take a quick walk on the Sea Ray 2021 320 Sundancer. This one is powered with triple 250 Mercury outboards, joystick powered. Come on in the boat, come on the transom, you can take a look and see the layout. So as we enter the cockpit, the first thing you're going to notice is the new sea deck that is offered by Sea Ray. It is a really cool product. It's a snap-down product. It's nice, it dries very quickly, and it's soft on your feet and it's not slippery when it's wet. Great side sure shade for great coverage. Starboard side, we do have a grill, refrigerator, sink. On this boat, we also do have the available cockpit AC and heat. Very nice to have in the summer months and the winter months. A lot of space, a lot of seating. The port side seat right here will go forward and back for some additional space as we're entertaining, or if we're moving forward, it's nice to have a forward-facing seat. Starboard side, you're going to see the Simrad GPS flush mounted across. You also have your joystick jockeying controls integrated with autopilot. Your throttles for your motor, Simrad VHF radio, Fusion stereo, and all your switches. Moving forward up on the bow, we're going to see a nice walkway on the port side. Triple seating across, stereo controls, table does go forward as well, and then you're going to have the windlass forward. Come on inside the boat. Now we're in the cabin of the Sea Ray 320 Sundancer, and you're going to see it's a very large forward V-berth, which actually converts into a dinette. TV forward, speakers are forward. Port side, we do have a nice size fridge and microwave. A lot of storage underneath it. And then you have nice access into the starboard side head, which is a built-in shower. And then a great opening in the aft to have a double bunk, which does slide together. Great for a couple or a bunch of kids back there. There's also a TV back there on this one. Come on down to MarineMax Clearwater. Take a look at the 2021 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. Thank you very much.